The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that's my pup. I wanted to show you, I have more stuff that came in. Here in a minute I'll unbox all this stuff. Change. But I want to show you, this is my house lately. Not every day, but a lot of days. This is my life lately. All the small things for the car that are needed, all the tools that I don't have, the specialty tools, gauge. I have a ton of stuff on its way. I have more stuff downstairs I want to unbox and check out, so give me a little bit. I'm gonna go change and bye. Alright, so I changed. This is the white shirt. If you see me always wearing white shirts and just shorts, I basically get home, take off my dress shirt and pants, and then I just throw on some shorts. So I have the white undershirt, which is why I'm always wearing white shirts. I have like probably 50 white shirts, so that would be why. Anyways, so I got my Fast Intentions front crash bar yesterday, and I can't wait to get this installed. However, I have this is gonna take a minute to open, so bear with me as I speed this part up. Yes, it's expensive. I think it's overpriced for what you pay, but this is the front bar. I'm not gonna fully unwrap it. I'm just showing you, give you an idea. So I have the front crash bar. I'm eventually, hopefully maybe this weekend, it depends. I'm waiting on a 34 Mocal oil cooler that I'm gonna make into a transmission cooler. I'm waiting on that to arrive with the mounting. So when that comes, I wanna go ahead and start mounting everything. That way I get an idea of how things are gonna be. The intercooler I have, you can see that other unboxing. The only issue with that is I don't have the mounting brackets yet, so even though I have this and I still might bolt this up, I don't have the actual mounting brackets for the intercooler that's going to sit behind it. So let me put this away, and then I have a bunch of other stuff that I need to unbox. Now, some of these I actually don't know what they are because I've ordered so much random stuff. I think this is a specialty tool for the transmission, but I could be wrong because, like I said, I've ordered a lot of stuff. I actually ordered a bunch of other stuff today because work was kind of slow because we had a bunch of major network issues and other stuff, so I really didn't have much else to do, so I went and did some shopping. And it's not good. I just keep spending random money on random stuff, so my budget on my build has already been shot way past what I originally intended. and I still have a bunch of small stuff that I have to get, and I just was looking at all the pricing. My car is Ecotec, I mean not Ecotec. My car right now has an up rev tune. However, I do want to go to the Ecotec, and yeah, I knew it was pricey, but I didn't realize it was that pricey. So that might have to hold off, because the car does come, the kit does come with a base tune through UpRev. I already have the UpRev license and everything on my car, so I should be able to just throw the UpRev on there and then go from there. Yep, so this is the, wow, this big box for, just want to make sure there's nothing else in there. That big box for this one tool, this one specialty tool. So this is for the transmission. This is something that I was told specifically I need for the install, so I went ahead and bought it. It is a really long 1/2 inch female 3/8 male times 36 inch adapter with locking pin. It's really long to get to transmission bolts, I'm assuming. So yeah, that's that. Like I said, it's tons of stuff. Some of it's small, some of it's big. This I'm pretty sure is stuff that I actually don't really need. I ordered, yeah, so some of this I need, some of it I don't. I ordered a whole trim piece. My car, if you haven't seen my interior, yeah, so it's a whole dash kit, and all I really needed was the wiring. So I might end up doing this as a giveaway or selling it, but it's the complete wiring needed to change my car dash, radio, stereo, head unit, everything. But turns out I don't need half of it. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise as to what it is, but I am going to be doing a tablet at some point. I got all the wiring, but the problem is I gotta go from having a nav to a non-nav, and that requires a lot. So I got all the other wiring I need for this, to include some of the other wiring in this that you just saw. And I need to wire in the new AC unit with the control box and convert the wiring to work. So that's gonna be a wiring nightmare. I also ordered today a ton of gauges, and yeah, that's not gonna be fun either, because I'm planning on replacing all my gauges. And I went with the XK, or not XK, what do they call that? The Glow Shift, because they're one of the few that have a transmission gauge temp sensor. But I went with a bunch of other stuff to go with it, and they, not only the main reason why I went with them is because of warranty. They have a lifetime warranty, if I remember correctly, as well as the main thing is they have lifetime wiring. So if I run into issues, I can call their support and they can walk me through how to wire everything, because I know I'm pretty intuitive and figure things out, but I know I'm going to run into issues and I know I'm going to need to call them, and I like to have that as like the backup. This is the fun stuff. This is the stuff that I love. So this, because of the Whipple supercharger, it's really close to the radiator, so I need a much smaller cap. So I went with the carbon fiber cap, and it's much smaller. That way I can go ahead and not worry about the belt and pulley hitting it, because the one I have is much larger, the stock one, and I have a little Z-Speed cover on it. So that's more stuff that I'm gonna eventually have to sell or just give away. We'll see what I end up doing with it. That's that. And then the next box is Summit, which I believe this is the adapter piece that I was needed for the not the intercooler, for the transmission cooler. Yeah, this big box for this little piece. So this is the adapter to allow me to put in an inline thermostat, which is why I ordered the Glow Shift transmission thermostat. So that's that. I'm gonna set that aside. Keep this. What does it come with? Oh, and the Summit stickers for my garage, because I love slap stickers. That's the thing. If you ever want to send me slap stickers, I'll gladly put them up in my garage and add them to my collection. I'll eventually show you guys my garage again. I've been slowly putting up stickers. I have a lot more that in there, stickers that I still need to put up. But the final thing is this, which I don't know what this is, because like I said, I've ordered a lot of stuff and I haven't been tracking everything that's coming. Whenever something is missing, I'll eventually go back and track it. And what in the world is... Oh, okay. So this might seem odd for a car, but bug spray. So apparently there is a way to fill the transmission modifying this. I also got a transmission fill plug to be able to fill it as well. But apparently you take that plug and then you rig it to a spray nozzle, bug spray thing. So I just bought anything that I might need, and that's what the shop told me I need to get. Not shop, but like friend that's supposed to be coming in October, middle of October, to help me do this whole big install. I'm gonna try to get it all on video, so please hit that subscribe button. Alright, so before I end the video that I haven't posted yet, I wanted to edit in this little snippet. So this is the next day. I recorded yesterday unboxing of all the stuff. I got this today and I just figured I'd throw it in. This is going to be my transmission cooler. So I'm not sure where I'm going to place this yet. I mean, because if you look, it's actually pretty big. I don't know if this is going to fit in the fender well. I was thinking about putting it on the inside of the fender, but this looks pretty wide. I don't think it's gonna fit, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. We'll figure that out later, maybe tomorrow, I don't know yet. But I just want to give you an update, and my pile of boxes is growing. So that's everything that came today and yesterday. I have a lot more coming. I'll try to do the unboxings. Not sure if you care or not. Comment below. I'd like to know what you think. What other suggestions you have for my car. I'd love to hear them. I have a long list. I know I need to do a video of my car build, what I have. It's a long list, and it's getting even longer. Like, my list is almost doubling with this build, which is crazy. But again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and take care.